The video's rolling. Whenever you want to, what do you want to fill us in?
Okay,
Kristen?
so today we worked on and reviewed on general patterns. So for example, 19 times 1 equals 19. And 2 over 7 times 1 equals 2 over 7. And so on and so forth. So I'm going to write a general pattern that shows what a general pattern is. Okay, so for example, we would do A times 1 equals A, because as you see that they all are the same on these two, and these two. And then we have the general pattern in words for the group of 3 special cases. So we would do B over B equals 1, because as you can see, each fraction is the same, and when you have them, they equal 1.
That's good. Yep.
Okay.
Notice how Carissa put B over B. It's the same variable here, and they're the same numbers. So if you do any number on top and you do the same one on the bottom, it's always going to equal 1. Perfect. Yep.
Okay. And then, so here we're going to multiply. We're going to find the simplest answers, and I'm going to show you how to times fractions.
Okay.
So you're just going to times across. So 5 times 3 is 15.
Okay.
And 6 times 10 equals 60.
Okay. And are we done yet?
No, we are not done. We have to simplify.
Okay.
So we're going to divide by 5, because
Okay.
that's the easiest to do. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And And 5 times 7 equals 60.
Okay.
So you put that on 7 right there. Right? Yeah. And so this is your simplest form. Is that
Okay.
right?
15, 30, 40.
No.
How many times is 15 gets divided by 5?
Oh,
3
yeah,
times.
it's 4 times.
How many times does 60 get divided by 5?
64. Well, if we did it,
5
divide
times what is 60?
7. No.
One more.
8.
Yep.
Okay, so you got
8. So you got 3/8.
3/8.
Yep. Perfect.
Okay, and then, so for this one, you have to have a top heavy, so you're gonna do 4 times 2, which equals 8, plus 3 equals 11 over 4, and then you're gonna times 4 over 1. So 4 times 1 equals 4, and 4 times 11 equals 44. And then, but you want to simplify it, so we're gonna do, how many times does 4 go into 4? 1 time. How many times does 4 go into 44?
Sorry.
What's up?
65 to get, it's 12.
That's what I
It's
thought.
12.
So
Yep,
then
that's
you can
my fault.
reduce
3
it
over
again.
12. And then we can reduce even more into
1
1.
over 4.
Yep, that's my fault.
Okay. And then you have, how many times does 4 go into 44? 11 times. And
Good.
then that's your answer.
Good. Okay, let's go to the next page and quickly review that.
Okay, so
Reciprocal.
reciprocal property.
Everybody else line up.
So, reciprocal properties
Quiet,
are
please.
when you have, so like for instance here, we have A over B and B over A. The variables are going to be the same because each number or letter is the same for like A, and A has to be the same number.
Okay.
And so when you have
So
reciprocal,
give us, you just give us a problem here.
Okay.
Give us number 1. Tell us how we got 1/6.
okay, so we have 1/6 because 6, you always put 6 over 1.
Good.
And so for reciprocal problems, you have to switch them around in order to get your answer. So you have 1 over 6.
Good. I'm sorry, Chris. I want to hear more from you. That was
okay.
amazing.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.